has led the way in developing products that reduce CO2 emissions as part of efforts to achieve carbon neutrality by 2050. A part of these efforts attracting particular attention is its products using hydrogen as a fuel source. Hydrogen can be produced from renewable energy and stored and transported in high-pressure gas canisters for extended storage. The FCTP 7000 is equipped with a fuel cell which generates direct current electricity as a result of a chemical reaction between the hydrogen supplied from an external source and the oxygen in the air. The power generated by the fuel cell is converted to alternating current using a power conditioner. As hydrogen is used as the fuel source, the FCTP 7000 only produces electricity and water during operation with zero CO2 emissions. The water produced is non-toxic and odorless. In addition to supplying electricity, the water generated can be stored for use in a mist cooler or as water used at evacuation sites and elsewhere. The FCTP 7000 is noticeably quieter during operation compared to a diesel generator. Have a listen to the actual operating sound. In this way, the FCTP 7000 provides a stable power supply while keeping incredibly quiet. The FCTP 7000 can be transported with a forklift and suspended by crane in the same way as a conventional engine-driven generator. Easy to transport to wherever electricity is needed, provides a stable power supply in various places. Device operations, settings, and status confirmation are all accessible using the LCD touch panel, aiding users unfamiliar with using the device or reading the meters. Introducing the FCTP 7000, a product born out of a vision for a hydrogen-oriented society, ushering in a new era for energy. It serves as a conduit for the workplaces and living environments of tomorrow.